When does rapport happen? When does the thing where your client likes you, you like them? When should this be done? Should this be done at the very start of the session? I know even some therapists will have some sort of rapport techniques that they'll use in the very first session to get the rapport out of the way. What I highly recommend to save a lot of time, guys, rapport happens on the strategy call. Rapport can actually happen before the strategy call on your social media. Your client gets to know, like, and trust you from your social media. They pull that into the strategy call where you get to talk to this person, spend about half an hour to 45 minutes with them. And then also you've got to think about the good rapport that happens when they pay you at the end of the session. Thus, when they show up to the session, they already know, like, and trust you anyway because they've already paid you, they've seen your social media, and you can essentially get on with the session. There's so much time wasted, therapists and coaches alike, at the start of the session, explaining hypnosis, which doesn't matter, setting the rapport, which should be done beforehand, doing the suggestibility test, only to realize that everyone can be hypnotized. All of these sorts of things, the relaxation, where like if you spend an hour with a client, the first half an hour is just fluff. It's just mucking around. Then the therapist only has about 5 or 10 minutes to do the therapy. I'd rather, if I'm spending an hour with a client, do 100% of that time. So 1 hour doing the therapy, because that's the only thing that matters. So if I need the rapport, I need people to like and trust me, I'm going to expect my social media just like this to do all the heavy lifting for me. No one's going to buy this program if they don't like or trust me. No one's going to join all of my programs if they don't know, like, or trust me. So I'm hoping my social media comes across as me being someone who knows what they're talking about and can be trusted enough for you to spend your money on a program and get the results that I'm talking about. On the strategy call, when I'm working with lawyers in the past to stop smoking, that's another reason why I want to know this person. I want them, and again, I use that word like a bit, but I don't really care if they don't like me. All I want to know is they trust me, that I know what I'm doing. That's a big thing. Like, I couldn't care about. So the rapport will happen on your social media. Your rapport will happen during the strategy call. You'll get to know this person, they'll get to know you. And you'll know the rapport is 100% complete if this person pays you. Then when they show up to their session, the rapport's done. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff and get straight to the jugular, straight into the therapy. Spend your time in the most wisest place possible, which is the therapy. Rapport techniques, all of that sort of stuff. You know, if they scratch their nose, I'll scratch my nose. You know, they're wearing shoes, I'm wearing shoes. Let's be best friends. Jokes aside, forget about all that stuff, guys. Get to know this person on the strategy call or before that on the social media. Once they've paid you, realize that that's a big tick in the box. They must trust me enough. They don't have to like me, like I said, but they must trust me enough in order to pay me $1,500, $5,000, or whatever you're charging, guys. Rapport's done. When they show up, straight into the session, guys.